A solid-state drive, SSD, provides fast, reliable storage, improving boot times and overall system performance. Today's video is about top 5 best computer solid-state drive that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at crucial computer solid-state drive, the Micron PCIe 4.01 TB SSD is a high-performance storage solution designed to accelerate gaming, productivity, and everyday computing. Delivering blazing read speeds up to 7,100 MB per second and write speeds up to 6,000 MB per second, it ensures faster game load times, near-instant bootups, and smooth multitasking for demanding applications. With 1 TB of storage, this SSD provides ample space for AAA games, media files, and applications, making it ideal for casual gamers, home users, and creative professionals. Its broad compatibility allows seamless integration with desktops, laptops, and PlayStation 5, while backward compatibility with PCIe Gen4 systems makes upgrades easy and flexible. Real-world productivity also benefits from its high-speed performance, offering up to twice the speed of previous Gen 3 SSDs. Tasks like booting Windows, launching software such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, and working in Microsoft Office apps are noticeably faster and more responsive. Built with trusted Micron G8 NAND and advanced thermal control, this Gen 4 SSD delivers reliable performance, durability, and efficiency, making it a dependable choice for modern computing needs. Now our second product is Samsung Computer Solid-State Drive. The Samsung 990 Pro Gen 4 SSD is a next-generation storage solution engineered for gamers, tech enthusiasts, and heavy computing users. With blazing read speeds up to 7,450 MB per second and write speeds up to 6,900 MB per second, it fully harnesses the power of PCIe 4.0, delivering near maximum performance for gaming, video editing, data analysis, and multitasking. Compared to its predecessor, the 980 Pro, the 990 Pro offers over 55% improvement in random performance, ensuring faster file transfers, quicker load times, and smoother overall system responsiveness. Storage capacities range from 1 TB to 4 TB, providing ample space for games, applications, and large multimedia projects. Efficiency is another standout feature. This SSD delivers up to 50% improved performance per watt over the 980 Pro, combining top-tier speed with power-conscious operation. Designed by the world's leading flash memory brand, it balances raw performance, durability, and energy efficiency. Overall, the Samsung 990 Pro Gen 4 SSD is an elite choice for users seeking uncompromised speed, reliability, and efficiency in next-level computing or gaming builds. Our third product is Samsung Computer Solid-State Drive. The Samsung 870 EVO SSD is a high-performance, reliable, and versatile storage solution ideal for gamers, professionals, and everyday users. Leveraging Samsung's pioneering technology, it maximizes the SATA interface with sequential read and write speeds up to 560/530 MB/s, delivering fast data access, quick boot times, and smooth multitasking. Its larger variable buffer ensures sustained performance for heavy workloads on desktops, workstations, and NAS systems. Reliability is a standout feature, with up to 600 TBW endurance backed by a 5-year limited warranty, making it capable of handling demanding tasks from everyday computing to 8K video processing. Broad compatibility has been verified across major chipsets, motherboards, NAS devices, and video recording systems, ensuring seamless integration. Upgrading is effortless with the standard 2.5-inch SATA form factor and Samsung's renewed migration software, which simplifies data transfer. Samsung Magician 6 software provides drive management, firmware updates, health monitoring, and performance optimization. With AES 256-bit encryption and in-house DRAM and NAND, the 870 EVO combines security, performance, and the trusted quality of the world's #1 flash memory brand. Now number 4, SanDisk. Computer Solid-State Drive. The WD_Black SN850X NVMe SSD is a powerhouse storage solution designed for elite gamers and high-performance workstations. With blazing read speeds up to 7,300 MB per second, for 1 TB or 4 TB models, it dramatically reduces load times, delivering near-instant bootups, faster game loading, and ultra-responsive performance for demanding applications. Storage capacities reach up to 8 TB using SanDisk TLC 3D NAND, allowing users to store more games, applications, and media while maintaining peak performance. The optional heatsink version not only enhances aesthetics but also optimizes thermal management, keeping the drive cool during intense gaming sessions and preventing performance throttling. The WD_black dashboard, Windows only, adds customization and control, enabling drive health monitoring, RGB lighting adjustments, and Game Mode 2.0, which prioritizes gaming performance. Advanced features like predictive loading, overhead balancing, and adaptive thermal management, ATM, further improve efficiency and responsiveness. Manufactured by SanDisk Technologies under Western Digital's trusted brand, the SN850X combines incredible speed, capacity, cooling, and intelligent features, making it a top-tier choice for gamers and professionals seeking unmatched storage performance. And our last choice is Crucial Computer's solid-state drive. The Micron 2TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD delivers next-generation storage performance, making it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and home users. With blazing read speeds up to 11,000 MB per second and write speeds up to 9,500 MB per second, it ensures faster game load times, near-instant boot-ups, and smooth multitasking for demanding applications. With a spacious 2 TB capacity, this SSD provides ample room for AAA games, media files, and productivity applications. Its compact Gen5 NVMe design is compatible with desktops and laptops, while backward compatibility with Gen4 systems makes upgrades seamless and convenient. Built with Micron G8 NAND and advanced thermal control, the drive ensures reliable performance and durability under heavy workloads. It also strikes a strong balance between cutting-edge performance and affordability, making it an ideal option for users seeking high-speed storage without overspending. Additionally, the SSD comes with Acronis True Image cloning software for effortless data migration, plus a 1-month Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps subscription, enhancing its value for creative projects and professional workflows. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.